Hey everybody! In this video, I'll walk you through getting started with the Exposure Bundle. The bundle integrates Exposure's Raw Photo Manager with SnapArt's Natural Media Effects and BlowUp's Image Enlargement. If you don't own the Exposure Bundle, download the fully functional trial from our website. Launch the bundle by opening Exposure, the centerpiece of the product. This is where you organize, edit, and launch the other applications in the bundle. This demonstration uses Exposure as the central application in the workflow, but each of the bundle apps also work as plugins with Lightroom or Photoshop. Visit our website to watch Getting Started tutorials for those situations. Exposure is a full-featured photo editor that handles your entire workflow. Begin using Exposure when copying images from cards. Then categorize them with flags, ratings, and labels. Exposure enables you to organize photos with sorting, filtering, and metadata search tools. Exposure also has advanced categorization features like keywords, collections, and smart collections. Visit our website for tutorials about those and other organizing features. Navigate to folders on your computer in the Folder panel. Click on a folder's name to view its contents. If the folder you want to work in isn't listed, click the Add button and browse to the folder you want. Double-click an image to view it at full size. Notice that all your editing and organizing in Exposure occurs in the same UI. There's no need for different user interface modules. Exposure's library of carefully curated presets make quick work of editing photos. Use them to apply an accurate reproduction of a classic, modern, or vintage film, or an entirely new creative look to photos. Hover over preset thumbnails to see how the presets will look when applied to the selected image. Click to apply it. Exposure's presets are great on their own, and they are useful as starting points for custom looks. Easily make adjustments to images with the powerful editing tools in each of the panels in the right-hand dock. The Basic panel, for example, provides controls to adjust exposure, contrast, and saturation. All of Exposure's editing panels are demonstrated in our library of tutorial videos. SnapArt makes it easy to apply natural media effects like oil paint and watercolor. Simply right-click on an image in Exposure, select Edit Copy In, and select Alien Skin SnapArt. This demonstration only includes one photo, but Exposure can process multiple images simultaneously in a batch. A list of natural media types appears in the Presets panel. Open the Effects Tour folder for a quick preview of each of the 11 categories. To enlarge the preview thumbnails, collapse the Editing panel and expand the Presets panel. This makes it easy to scroll through large-size previews of all the different natural media looks. Select the preview thumbnail to apply it. Refine the effect with the editing panels on the right dock. We suggest starting with the controls at the top of the panel and working your way down. Edits are saved into the same folder as the original image and are visible in Exposure. To access the BlowUp image enlargement tools, right-click on the image in Exposure, choose Edit Copy In, and Alien Skin BlowUp. When preparing images for print, it's best to make a copy of the image that is used for this purpose. To the left is the Thumbnail Navigator and the User Settings panel. In the center are zooming and panning controls. On the right side are the adjustment tools. These include a button for each resizing mode, crop and resize, resize, and stretch. Crop and resize crops the image to proportionally fill the output. It places the crop area over the most interesting part of your image automatically. You can easily fine-tune this location. Resize mode resizes the image while retaining its original proportions without cropping or stretching. Stretch mode forces the image to fit the output size. This is best used when the output size and photo size are nearly identical. After selecting the mode, choose the document size. Make refinements like adding grain and sharpening for output, which compensates for ink diffusion on paper. If you're processing images using each app in the exposure bundle, it's best to apply the SnapArt Natural Media effects after you've enlarged your images using BlowUp. This will give you the sharpest looking output. Thanks for watching our quick introduction to the exposure bundle. Visit our website for more editing tutorials and additional information about exposure.